Hallo and welcome to the Germanklasse. Ich heiße Gauriee. Ich heiße Gauriee. My name is Gauriee. Wie heißen Sie? Wie heißen Sie? What's your name or what are you called? Wie heißen Sie? In German, wie means how. But when we ask for someone's personal information, we use wie in place of what. That's why we use it here as wie heißen Sie. What are you called? Heißen is to be called and Sie is you. We use this form Sie when we are in a formal conversation. So when we are talking to our seniors or our teachers or to people we don't know, then we would address them as Sie. And the person will answer, Hallo, ich heiße, and the name. Hallo, ich heiße Gauriee. Which means, hello, I am called Gauriee. But when we are in an informal conversation with someone, then we may want to call them du. Du is an informal way of addressing someone. And then we will say, Hallo, wie heißt du? Hallo, what are you called? And the person will answer, ich heiße, and their name. Wer sind Sie? Wer is who, sind is to be, and Sie is a formal way of addressing someone. So, wer sind Sie? Who are you? Or in an informal conversation, we'll say, wer bist du? Who are you? And the person will answer, ich bin, I am, and the name. I am called or I am Gauriee. Wie ist Ihr Name? Wie is what? Ist is to be, and Ihr Name, your name. Or in an informal conversation, we'll say, wie ist dein Name? And the answer is, mein Name ist, and your name. So today we learned 3 ways of asking name in German. Wie heißen Sie or wie heißt du? What are you called? And you answer with ich heiße. And wer sind Sie or wer bist du? And you answer with ich bin. And wie ist Ihr Name or wie ist dein Name? And you answer with mein Name ist and your name. When someone asks you wie heißen Sie or wie heißt du, it's not necessary that you have to answer with ich heiße. You can also answer him with ich bin or mein Name ist. Same goes for the other 2 questions. Wer sind Sie and wie ist Ihr Name? You can answer with any one of those 3 as ich heiße, ich bin or mein Name.